Well, the fact of the matter is, many people have challenged Zakir Naik to debates, and he's never accepted. I personally know David Wood.
You engage in what was called thigh. Muhammad would engage in a practice called thigh. When Aisha was 6 years old, before he could actually have sex with her, she was too small before then. Before he could actually have sex with her, Muhammad, the greatest moral example, the example that you Muslims follow, would put his penis between her thighs and ejaculate on her. Put his penis between her thighs and ejaculate on her. And ejaculate on her.
Sam Shamoun.
Tell us, why does your God love firm breasts and vaginas? You don't have a mic. Well, let me send you to Mecca where you can lick the blackstone. Hold on, let me send you. Allah Akbar! Let me tell you, you guys are a cancer to society, because you don't worship God, but Satan, your problem. Let me tell you.
Jay Smith.
Earlier, Shabir said that they are able to drink wine in heaven. I find that interesting because when you go back to the Quran in Surah 590 and also Surah 219, it states very succinctly that Satan is the creator of wine. Now, why would you have something created by Satan waiting for them in heaven?
It does not say that. No, I'm sorry. It says that it is the amal shaitan. It is the work of the shaitan that uses the wine to create enmity and hatred among people. You have to read it carefully. Don't misquote my scripture in my presence.
Shall we read it?
Dr. James White.
Been justified by faith. We have irene, shalom, peace with God.
You refer a lot to the book of Hebrews to explain this.
The longest book in the New Testament that addresses the subject. Yes.
Do we know who wrote the book of Hebrews?
No, we do not.
And myself.
In Islam, it is well known that Muhammad did not know whether or not he was going to go to heaven. He'd always told people, yes, I'm the prophet, but you have to pray for me, pray on my behalf that God will forgive me so that I can enter into heaven.
We have all challenged Zakir Naik to debates, and he never responds.